Welcome back, guys. So we're going to use this foam roller in order to get into the pec. It sounds a little crazy. Most of the time when we're thinking of opening up the front of the chest, we want more of like a ball. And that's great. You can totally use more of a ball to kind of release the tension and move it around different places. The reason I like this guy is that you can actually have it stable where you can then move the arm and get a little bit more active release within that muscle rather than just kind of having to move your chest around. So it actually makes it a lot better using the foam roll. So we're going to use this. I'm going to show you how to do it on the left side because we're going to do a stretch afterwards as well. Now, if you want to, do it on both sides, obviously, or pick your tighter side. So we're going to put the foam roll down this way. And now, again, I like this IntelliRoll because you can see that it's going to have this dip coming in, and then it kind of has the lift. And that's what's going to kind of come right before my shoulder joint, so it's not getting on the front of my shoulder, and I can increase the surface area right across my pec, right across here. So it's kind of cool. So here, I'm going to kind of lay down here. Ooh. Place this right on my chest. So now my shoulder, notice that it's not on the foam roller. So I don't want to be on the front of those little tendons right into the foam roller, right on my shoulder. But I want it to be right comfortably in my chest. So it kind of nestles just perfectly into my pec area. And then I'm going to kind of, you can support your head here, whatever you need to do. Okay, and I'm going to take this hand and just draw it forward and draw it back. So I'm going to be getting different kind of muscle fibers right along my pec. Maybe I move down a little bit more. I can get right up along my collarbone, closer into my pec minor as I do this as well. And just breathing here. Okay, then my favorite stretch to follow that directly. So foam rolling, you want to take maybe about a minute to 2 on each side. Okay, just kind of releasing the tension. Again, it's not breaking up any fascia, it's not breaking up any scar tissue. It's getting fluids to move a little bit better along the area, but it's definitely not breaking anything up. So we don't need to smash into it as hard as we can because it's not going to do anything good. We want to relax into that muscle. Then directly following that, we want to stand up and be able to get into that pec. So I'm going to bring my inside leg that's closest to the wall forward here and kind of bring my hip forward in the back. So I kind of come into this good lunge here. Now from here, I'm going to take this top arm up and back, and I kind of twist and face the wall. So I'm going to kind of just reach back. I'm making sure that my shoulder blade is staying directly back into my spine. So I don't want my shoulder blade to roll forward or my shoulder to roll forward. I want to keep it back. Now, after that, I'm going to twist, keeping that shoulder blade back and just looking forward. Now I breathe here. Maybe I move it up a little bit. So you want to feel where you can find the best stretch right into that front of that shoulder and take time to breathe. So breathing into my low rib cage. And I like to do about 10 slow breaths, just like that. Maybe moving it around into different areas and finding what works best for you to get into that pec stretch and relax. This is great, especially if you work at a job and you're kind of at a desk all day long and you're forward onto that computer. Taking time to tap into that foam roll, release that tension, get onto a wall, even if you're at work, is a great way to start to improve that posture and just release that tension right along that chest. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're enjoying it. Don't forget to like and comment below to let me know what you think, and subscribe so you don't miss any in the future.